You'll love this vehicle. It's a vehicle you'll want to take home. Call today and get in touch with the dealer directly and be the first person to open the vehicle's door today, and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, fog lights, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, heated steering wheel, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, driver vanity mirror, overhead console. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.